You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is h equals -4. Let's solve it step by step. Group all h terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 1 over 2h from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 2 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the h. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 2 over 1. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is h equals -4.